If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Those numbers help me advance myself through YouTube. They don't cost a thing. Just a push of the button. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. I'm grateful to all who stick through this with me. Help me pioneer this monster.
This is Intractable Hiccups. There's a core group of us around the globe who are not responding to any of the treatments that are for hiccups. So we are on our own. Doctors don't know what to do with us, so they tend to abandon us because we become a liability to their practice as we become a liability to any work environment. So we're on our own. So that's why I'm pioneering this to get the knowledge out that this is happening to quite a number of us. It's just that it keeps us inside, kind of quarantined in a sense. It's hard to go out in public, especially with choking spasms, and people might consider that as choking on food, and the last thing you need is somebody to touch you when you're having a choking spasm that resembles choking on food. Plus, it was hard to talk. Likes to grab onto words and make it very difficult to get them out, and it's very frustrating. So, social life is stopped. Movement, conversation, excitement, all either start an episode or advance an episode. Be very aggressive. So you spend a lot of time isolated and quiet. So your subscription numbers, your viewing time of my first time viewing of my videos, that time matters to me in my channel. YouTube monitors us very closely. It's down to numbers. All free to you, except for your time. So valuable to the channel. Subscriber numbers, views, thumbs up, comments, of course. We like those, especially suggestions, support. I seem to have a very good group of subscribers, very supportive. So thank you. thank you for watching all the way through. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you.